welcome to my new channel, because it's not really a new channel, it's more like a bring it back channel. I used to have this channel years ago, and I just ran out of time. I didn't have enough time to post videos anymore, and here we are in the middle of a pandemic and I have all this extra time, so I said, hey, why not make a fun video. So today, as you can tell by the title, is an unboxing video, and this is actually my second, technically my second, because my first unboxing video was my birthday gift to myself. I bought a wallet, a Dior wallet, and so this is I guess my first bag unboxing video. Yeah, this is my first bag unboxing video, but I'm so excited. This is a birthday gift from my wife, because she knows me so well. But yeah, I'm really excited about this bag. I've wanted this bag since season 3, episode 5 of Sex and the City, when Carrie Bradshaw had it. Yes, I've been a Sex and the City fan, like a die-hard Sex and the City fan for years. Anyway, so I wanted this bag for a long time. So when Dior brought it back in 2018, at first I wasn't quite sure, because of course when they brought it back, it was like twice the price that it was originally back when it came out. And so I have been scavenging the internet looking for a vintage version, and I just couldn't find it. So earlier this year, I just said, forget it. I'm just going to go ahead and get it. And I was going back and forth about it. I wasn't sure if I wanted the mini or the medium. I like small bags. Most of my bags are smaller bags. I do like a smaller bag. So I was leaning towards the mini until I went to the Dior store earlier this year and compared the two and realized how small the mini was. I didn't mind the size of it, but because of the shape of the bag, it was just really small. Like, it was very small, and I just didn't know if it would work for me. I didn't mind it if it didn't fit my phone, but I just wanted it to be a little bit spacious. If the bag was in shape, kind of like that oblique shape, that would have been fine, but the way that it was shaped, the size of the mini was not gonna work for me. So I opted for the medium, and so I was gonna gift myself the medium, but my wife beat me to it. So let's get to this unboxing. Apparently this bag was very hard to find. I know that it's no longer online, but this is the Dior saddle bag, grain calfskin in black, and they don't have it online anymore. So she had to contact a Dior boutique and have them track it down, and then they found it in a boutique and shipped it to us here. So yeah, it's not online. It comes in many colors. It comes in indigo, this very pretty pink, a very beautiful baby blue, and then it also comes in the Dior saddle print in the navy blue, which was another one that I was looking at too. But yeah, it comes in a lot of different colors. The gray one is very pretty. They have an all white one. They have a gold one. They have the camouflage embroidery with multicolored flowers. They come in a lot of different colors. They even have the patent leather one. Very pretty colors. But for me, I wanted it to be black. I looked at the baby blue one. It was very pretty. But for me, at that price point, I do want to get a bag that I can wear with pretty much anything. So to me, the black one, the black grain calfskin with the gold hardware, I mean, it just fits me. I feel like it fits my wardrobe, and I'll get a lot of use out of it. So yeah, if you don't find it online, just contact one of the boutiques and they'll help you find what you want. Oh, the wallet that I mentioned is this one. I bought the card holder wallet with the Dior oblique design, and I will link the video to this unboxing below. So let's get into this unboxing. So clearly I already opened up the box because I've already worn it, because I wanted this bag for so long that I could not wait. First of all, the packaging for Dior, put aside the fact that it smelled good, the packaging for Dior is so pretty. It came with this pretty paper, multicolored, beautiful bag. It's a textured gift bag, and it has Dior written in gold. And this is the box that it came in. It also came with this Dior catalog, and it was really pretty. Basically, just Dior trying to make you want to spend more money on their items. But it had all of the new items that were out, the fragrances, the jewelry, the watches, men's clothing, women's clothing, just beautiful content. Oh, beautiful content. So yeah, this is so pretty. It also showed all the red carpet Dior looks. So yeah, it came with this. It's a Dior magazine, basically. All things Dior for 2020. So let's get back to this bag though. So yeah, so when you open it, of course, it has a little tag, a little Dior tag, a little ASMR. Alright. So then, this box is so pretty. Let's get into this bag. So it comes in a dust bag, and here she is in all of her glory. Oh, I was so excited. I was so excited. Literally, she let me open my gift the night before my birthday, and I legit was in here in my PJs looking at myself in the mirror holding the bag. Like, I was so excited. So this is the saddle bag, the Dior saddle bag, in calfskin, grain calfskin. So yeah, I am so excited about this bag. I've wanted it for years, and now that I have it, I'm just so excited. Like, I want to wear it every day, like every day. However, I will say, this is not your everyday bag. This is not like a fourre-tout, kind of like the Never Full Louis Vuitton, where you can kind of just stuff everything in there. Because even though this is the medium size, it's not like really big, which is why I like it. Because again, I like mini bags. The grain, because I looked at a lot of reviews on the internet and on YouTube, and everybody that got the grained one really liked it because they say it doesn't scratch as easily as the other finishes. Like some of them, you know, these are bags. We wear them in everyday life, and you bang it, you scratch it. Definitely go for the grain if you're thinking about investing in this bag. But yeah, so I picked the one with the gold hardware, and it has, I really like this. It's a magnet. It's not like a zipper or anything like that. So yeah, it just opens up. And like I was saying, this is not like a big, huge bag, which is why I like it. It has just enough. It does have a pocket, a zipper pocket compartment in the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but and yeah, I have the authenticity card, and I always keep the authenticity card in my bags in the zipper compartment. I get that from my mom. She used to always keep her authenticity cards in the zipper compartment, so I just started doing the same just because it's easier, and also it keeps track of it just in case you want to sell it. At least you don't have to go digging, or if you throw it away or anything like that. So, and then it also has a compartment in the back, which is usually where I keep my phone, just so I don't have to keep going in and out of my bag. I usually just keep my phone in here. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And so, because your girl loves to accessorize, I had gotten the Jean Dior guitar belt with the gold hardware, and I have been looking for this for a long time. They also no longer have this on the Dior website in this color. They have a lot of other pretty color. I know they had the burgundy one. They had kind of like a rainbow colored one. But I wanted the black and white one, and they did not have the black and white one online, so again I had to go to the internet, and I scavenged all the sites, all the pre-loved sites, and I found it brand new on, I believe it was the Real, and I found it brand new, and as soon as I saw it, I bought it. Like, I bought it earlier this year, even before I had the bag, because I knew I was going to get the bag regardless. So yeah, I bought the strap because, of course, now they're going through that. A lot of designers are going through that, where they're selling everything separately. I know I bought a strap for one of my Fendi bags. I mean, I just like the straps, and I don't necessarily wear them only with the bag that I buy it for. Like, I've worn this one with my other black bag, and same thing with the Fendi one. I've worn it with another bag before. So yeah, I think it's just really cute, and also it's another alternative if you don't want to hold it, like hand hold it like this, then, and even like this, I don't mind wearing it like this, although it kind of like gets in the way. I don't really wear a lot of my bags like this unless they have a lower drop, so that's another reason why I bought the strap. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the strap on. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a couple of shots at the end of this video to show you guys how I wear it and how it looks like on me for size comparison. So yeah, I am totally in love with this bag. Sucks we're like in the middle of quarantine and nothing is open. There's no brunches, there's no nothing, and so yeah, but I still wear it in the house. Judge me, I don't care. Like, I love this bag, and I can't wait to style it up. I was thinking about getting an additional strap. I really was. Like, I saw another one that I liked on the website, but I'm not gonna do it. Not yet. Like, cute way to accessorize your bags. It's a cute way to, you know, kind of jazz it up and change it up a little bit. So that's why I really like these straps. I was thinking about getting another strap, even though I'm in love with this one. I was thinking about getting another one if I wanted to kind of like give this bag a new look. But yeah, this is it, and I am totally in love with this bag, and I can't wait to wear it. So yeah, let me know what you think. So make sure that you subscribe. I'm gonna try to do a better job at posting more videos now that I have all this lovely extra time on my head. But so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.